Good morning, Iloilo. So right now I'm here at Diversion Road. We are currently looking at the newly installed Christmas lanterns here in the highway. So I'm not sure if they still have those 1,500 pieces of the lanterns that will be installed. But anyway, I'm here for the reason that the first MerryMart Drive Through is being built right now, just across or beside the St. Joseph's School. So this will be the first MerryMart branch to have a drive-through. So let me try to cross the street. So based on the design, I think that this part of the road is where they're gonna place the drive-through area, unless they're gonna leave the plants. And then over here would be the main building, or the grocery building itself. So currently there are construction going on. So it's just a small rectangular lot there. So I would think the side of the road where they when you're driving, they're gonna build maybe a side road or an access road that would come to the side of the building and then going through the drive-through area. Oh, okay. So this is just a quick one, just to update you guys on the progress. I think this drive-through branch will. Today it's October, so it would take roughly 3 months to build. So based on their timeline, it will be open somewhere in January next year. With they have a target of, as we know it, 1,200 branches in 10 years. So hopefully we're gonna see this one operating in January. So that's it for now for this St. Joseph branch. So I'm back here in La Paz, the former Inayan building. As you can see here, they have removed the fence. So I think the MerryMart grocery is almost finished. And what I know is that they're gonna open it somewhere in October 17th, which is just 7 days from now.